Good morning. Myself Prabharanji, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the dynamic CMOS design from the unit 2 combinational circuit, combination logic circuit in the VLSI design subject. Let us discuss. Dynamic CMOS logic circuit use a different approach compared to static CMOS circuit, leveraging the temporary storage of charge on a capacitor perform logic operation. Here we have let we have discussed the dynamic CMOS logic circuit basic principles. Okay. Dynamo CMOS logic circuit are designed to overcome some of the limitation of the static CMOS logic, particularly in terms of speed. They use clocking technique and dynamic storage to achieve faster operation. Basic operation is pre-charging. At the beginning of the clock cycle, the dynamic node is pre-charged to a high voltage, which means logic 1. This is done by using a pre-charge transistor connected to a power supply. And evaluation: PMOS transistor is pre-charge transistor and NMOS transistor is using for evaluation purpose. During the evaluation phase, the pre-charged voltage is either retained or discharged depending on the input signal. The evaluation phase happen when the dynamic node is allowed to discharged through the evaluation transistor, which determine the output based on the logic operation. And dynamic node, this is the capacitor that temporarily stores the charge. Its voltage level represent the logic state, and a pre-charge transistor connect the dynamic node to the power supply to charge it to a known state, which is typically 1. And another one is evaluation transistor. These transistors determine whether the stored charge should be retained or discharged based on the input signal. The dynamic circuit logic. Static circuit are slow because fat PMOS load input. Dynamic gate are pre-charged to remove PMOS transistor from the input. Pre-charge for pre-charge F equal to 0, output forced high, and evaluate F equal to 1, output may pull low. You can see here. Uh, and the food means already we have discussed pull down network, pull up network. What is pull down network, what is pull up network, where we are connecting these two transistors, these two networks. All we have discussed a lot of things about pull up and pull down network. And use series evaluation transistor to prevent fight. Which means PMOS transistor is pre-charge transistor and NMOS transistor is food transistor. Okay, and already we have discussed dynamic logic principles. The main thing is pre-charge and evaluation. PMOS transistor connected in pre-charge connected for pre-charge, and NMOS transistor is for evaluation process. For pre-charge psi equal to 0, out is pre-charge to VDD by MP. ME is turned off, no DC current flows. For evaluation psi equal to 1 and ME is turned on, ME is turned off, output is pulled down to 0 depending on the values of the input. If not pre-charged, the value remains on C1. Okay, and some of the advantages. in advantage means to design high speed dynamic CMOS circuit can be faster than static CMOS because they use fewer transistors in this critical path, reducing the overall delay. Power efficiency, second thing, dynamic logic can be more power efficient during the evaluation phase since there is no static current flow through it may require more power during pre-charging. And it has some disadvantages on monotonicity, charge leakaging, charge sharing, capacitive coupling, clock feed through. Okay. Uh, Dynamic CMOS logic circuit are designed to leverage the temporary storage of charge for faster operation and potentially lower power consumption. They rely on clocked phases on managing the pre-charging and evaluation logic states, making them suitable for high-speed application. However, they require careful design to handle issues related to charge leakage and noise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. We will meet in next video. Thank you.